for or your presentation?
We are Stephanie, Miley, and Piero. We are psychology students, and our topic today is academic honesty and teamwork.
We used a fantasy sim for our slide. We sing everything playing feels like facing a challenge, especially during exam season.
With a good team, can you face the challenge together? That is the main idea for all your presentation.
This topic is important for every student, not only for psychology students like you.
Here is our roman for today. First, we will explain what playing is.
Then we will take about why teamwork matter and work best strategies.
After that, some real examples of good collaboration, and finally, our conclusion.
Let's begin with the first part.
Let's start with plagiarism. It means using someone else's word or ideas without giving them credit.
It can happen in different ways and some of them are easy to meet.
One common example is copying text from a website and not citing the source. This happens a lot with online articles.
Another example is letting a classmate copy your individual work. That is one, two, three collaborating.
There is also self-plagiarism. That's the main reason your own work writing permission from your process.
Even small actions like sharing answer in a group chat can count and plagiarism.
Many students do this without bad intentions, but is still a serious problem.
I can affect student grades and everything reputation and the university.
In some cases, it can even affect future opportunities like internships or scholarships.
That is why universities like ours take this topic so seriously.
So plagiarism has different form and of the teamwork rules in academic work.
So, how do we avoid this? The answer is simple teamwork.
The best way to avoid plagiarism is not to work alone, it is to work as a real team.
When display the data to the each other, we understand the material better that is shared understanding.
Teamwork also creates accountability with notes, additions, shortcuts before it becomes a problem.
It also reduces stress because no one has to solve every problem alone.
And every team member brings a different strength to the project.
For example, Stephanie is great at organizing ideas. Piero pays attention to every detail and focus on connecting everything into a one clear story.
When we combine this strength, the final result is much stronger than working alone.
It also makes that learning process more enjoyable for everyone in the group.
And it prepares for work future jobs where teamwork is also necessary.
And now let's talk about our strength for the constant teamwork.
First, always in the city your associate will use a format for every reference in your papers.
Second, divide that task fairly. Everyone in the group should contribute equally.
Third, check each other work before the final submits. A second opinion always helps.
And for the second idea together, the first then write your own part in your own words.
And these four habits are simple, but they make a real difference in the final result.
They are our best tool against plagiarism and they also make the final project strong.
They also help you to manage all your time better because the work in the share from the begins.
And honestly, the whole process becomes more enjoyable when everyone contributes fairly.
We actually used this string while preparing this presentation.
Yes, we divided the site whether the three of you put the discussion every uh, idea together first.
We also reviewed each other parts before recording. That helps fix small mistakes early.
For our slide, this is the introduction, Miley working on the example and Piero organized the conclusions.
We also watch the course videos about the good presentation and city and social uh, in this page.
Those results helps speak more clearly and with credit correct during this video.
We also practiced together a few times before recording to check our timing and pronunciation.
So this presentation is always an example on our conclusion in action.
So, what are your conclusions after this project?
First, academy honesty and shared responsibility, not sometimes you carry alone.
Second, real teamwork builds to a strong final project.
Third, setting source and dividing tasks fairly prevent plagiarism before it starts.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.